Hello friends, welcome to Educational Wing. Let's fly with success. Today is 13 June 2020. I am Sujit Kumar Mishra, your friend and mentor, here to discussing and analyzing the current affairs of 13 June. Okay, so proceed towards today's session. This was our previous day questions. First question was Arjun Charan Sethi passed away. He was related to which field? Acting, politics, law, sports. The correct answer here is option B, politics. He was related to politics and he belongs to Odisha, Bhadrak district. 8 times MP from Bhadrak district. Okay. And our next question was Flyzy, a mobile application developed by which institute? IIT Bombay, IIT Delhi, IIT Guwahati, IIT Kharagpur. The correct answer here is option C, IIT Guwahati. Recently, Flyzy, a mobile application developed by IIT Guwahati, and this mobile application is helpful for the air travelers. Okay. First question of the today's session is World Day Against Child Labor is observed on June 1st, June 2nd, June 5th, June 12th. The correct answer here is option D, June 12th. On June 12th, World Day Against Child Labor is observed, and it is observed by ILO, International Labour Organization. Okay, and the theme of the 2020 is Protect Children from Child Labor now more than ever is the theme of 2020. The International Labour Organization launched the World Day Against Child Labor in 2020. So the headquarters of the ILO, International Labour Organization, is in Geneva. Headquarters of ILO is in Geneva, Switzerland. Founded in 1909. Okay, 1919 ILO was developed, and president is Guy Ryder. Okay, Guy Ryder is the president of ILO. Next question. Second question is recently used mask disposal device launched in which state? Kerala, Odisha, Bihar, Jharkhand. The correct answer here is Kerala. Okay, Kerala. This device has been launched in Kerala by VST Mobile Solution. By VST Mobile Solutions, it also solved the problem of disposal of used masks. Okay, and the CEO of VST Mobile Solution is Alvin George. Alvin George is the CEO of VST Mobile Solution. So Kerala is in news. So the capital of Kerala is Thiruvananthapuram. Chief Minister is Pinai Vijayan, and Governor is Arif Muhammad Khan. Next question. Who got with Medal of the Order of Australia? Shobha Sekar, Adnan Sami, Sonu Nigam. Option D, none of these. The correct answer here is option A, Shobha Sekar. Shobha Sekar recently got Medal of the Order of Australia. Okay, he is the Indian musician and founder of Kalakruti Music Organization in Australia. So Shobha Sekar got this award. Australia is in news. The capital of Australia is Canberra. Currency is dollar, and Prime Minister is Scott Morrison. Scott Morrison is the Prime Minister of Australia. Okay, next question. Soho Jodha, an online initiative by which country? Japan, Bangladesh, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh. The correct answer here is option B, Bangladesh. Okay, Bangladesh government has launched an initiative Soho Jodha, an online network to facilitate plasma exchange. To facilitate plasma exchange due to COVID-19. Okay, due to COVID-19, and Bangladesh is in news. The capital of Bangladesh is Dhaka. Prime Minister is Sheikh Hasina, and currency is Taka. Currency of the Bangladesh is Taka. Next question. EM-Pays partner with whom to enable contactless ATM withdrawals? RuPay, Mastercard, Visa, none of these. The correct answer here is option B, Mastercard. The correct answer here is Mastercard. EM-Pays now partner with Mastercard to enable contactless ATM withdrawals. Okay, the initiative will help users to digitally locate nearest enabled ATM. Okay, the headquarters of the Mastercard is in New York. In New York. Okay, the headquarters of Mastercard is in New York, and CEO of Mastercard is Ajay Pal Singh Bhanga. Ajay Pal Singh Banga is the CEO of Mastercard. Next question. Jagannath Chedodu scheme launched by which state? Andhra Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Tamil Nadu, Bihar. The correct answer here is option A, Andhra Pradesh. Recently, Andhra Pradesh government launched a scheme, Jagannath Chedodu. Okay. The scheme provide one-time financial assistance up to 10,000 each. Okay. And the Chief Minister of the Andhra Pradesh is Jagan Mohan Reddy and Governor is Biswabhushan Harichandan. Okay. Next question. Tony Dune passed away. He was related to his field: football, cricket, basketball, tennis. The correct answer here is option A, football. Tony Dune recently passed away and he is related to football game. Okay. And the Republic of the Ireland Cup, Tony Dune for 33 times. He won 33 times. Okay. Next question. Who recommended only reverse transcription polymerase chain reaction for coronavirus testing? ICMR, DRDO, ISRO, AIMS. The correct answer here is ICMR. Recently, ICMR recommended only reverse transcription polymerase chain reaction for coronavirus testing. Okay, the ICMR is in use. The full form of ICMR is Indian Council of Medical Research. Headquarter is in New Delhi. And the Secretary and Director General of ICMR is Dr. Balaram Bhargav. Okay, Dr. Balaram Bhargav is the Director and Secretary General of ICMR. Actually, the ICMR is established since 1911. At the time, the name was IRFA, and in 1948, the name changes to ICMR, renamed as ICMR, Indian Council of Medical Research. Okay, here you can see the logo of the ICMR. Next question. The Indian Railway has created a world record by commissioning first high-rise OHE. E stands for Equipment, Engage, Express, Entertainment. The correct answer here is option A, equipment. Okay, OHE, overhead equipment. It is a first time in the entire world and will also boost the ambition mission. Okay, the railway minister of our India is Piyush Goyal. Piyush Goyal is the railways minister of our India. Question number 10. Question number 10 is, who chaired the 40th GST Council meeting? Narendra Modi, Nirmala Sitharaman, Nitin Gadkari, Rajnath Singh. The correct answer here is option B, Nirmala Sitharaman. Our Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman chaired the 40th GST Council meeting, and this meeting of the GST Council is the first meeting after nationwide lockdown. Okay, Nitin Gadkari is our Road Transport and Highway Minister, and Rajnath Singh is the Defense Minister, and as per you know, Narendra Modi is our Prime Minister of India. Okay, this is our question of the day. You have to answer it in the comment section. Okay, and we will discuss the answer in our tomorrow session. Which state recently banned online classes up to class 5? Second question is, Karmabhumi web portal launched by which state? Please comment it in the answer section in the comment box, and we will discuss the answer in our next session. Thank you for watching this. Please like, subscribe and share as much as you can. Okay, and don't forget to press the bell icon, thereby you will got the notification very fast. Thank you.